Hey guys, hey girls, hey boys. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mariiiii, also known as MariiiBajariii here on YouTube. Hello, welcome to my channel. So if you are not new here, you're probably like, whoa, like who is she? So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a modernized strawberry shortcake Halloween makeup look, and this is a look that you guys will be learning. I am obsessed on the way this came out. Definitely a little different from my usual vibe, but I love it. So if you guys are interested to see how I did this makeup look right here, then I suggest to keep on watching. But before we start this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every single time your girl posts. And without further ado, let's get right into our first 2020 Halloween makeup look. Let's go. Alright you guys, so today we are doing a Halloween makeup look. I decided to put up my white backdrop just because I feel like for Halloween makeup looks I want the main focus to be me and not so much of like my makeup collection going on back there, because that's just a distraction. So yeah, I decided to bring out this backdrop. I don't know how I feel about the way I like it. I just feel like it looks too plain for me, but it'll do. Okay, so for today's look we are doing a modernized strawberry shortcake look. So I was on Amazon, I saw this wig and I was like, ooh, that'd be cute to do like a strawberry shortcake makeup look. The wig ended up being a little more on like the purple pink side, but it's okay, we'll make it work. But the main thing is the makeup look. So when you think of a strawberry, obviously you think of like red, pink, green, and like white dots and stuff. So I kind of have a look in mind, and let's just hope it comes out the way I think it's gonna look. So I already went ahead and put on my foundation, concealer, like I did a base just so we can get this video rolling, because I feel like it's gonna be a long one. And yeah, so let's get right into it. I pulled out my Morphe X James Charles palette because this palette has a lot of colors, has some greens, has some red, has some pink, and I feel like it's gonna be a good palette for this look. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe M441 blending brush. I don't remember the names of the eyeshadows, so I'm just gonna point into the color. So I'm gonna go in with this red shade right here. So I'm just gonna apply this red shade into the crease. And it's okay if the red comes out here a little bit. I kind of want like a smoked out look. So I already did like 2 Halloween makeup looks on my Instagram. So if you guys want some more inspo, I highly recommend to go over there. I've been doing some like TikTok looks, Instagram reels. So head over there. Okay, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics number 5 brush. Still using that same red shade, but I just kind of want to pack it more out here. I feel like it's more pigmented when you pack it rather than blend out. So I'm going to pack it first and then go in with that brush and blend it out. I'm going to go into the Morphe Rainbow palette and take the shade Life right here, which is kind of like a darker red. And using that same BH Cosmetics flat brush, just pack the red on it. Yeah, this one's a lot more like intense, more like a cherry red. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this Take Me to Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics and take this baby pink shade right here. So I want like the inner lid to be a little brighter, so I'm going to take this pink shade and just pack it on there. So this look is going to give me like pink drink vibes and strawberry shortcake. Maybe I'll go pick up a pink drink just to amp this look up. So that was kind of patchy because the brush was a little wet. Oh no. Same thing to this side. Alright, and then I'm going to go back into the red shade from the James Charles palette and then pack it on the outer corner again just to bring that red color back. I just want like a gradient effect going on, nothing too harsh. And then blend it out a little more. Okay, so when you think of strawberries, I think of like red and with like the little dots all over. So I'm probably going to add some dots. I'm going to take this NYX Jumbo Stick. You can use any like white paint pot, but I only have this one. I'm going to take this fine eyeliner brush by Real Techniques and just get some of that white pencil. And then I'm just going to put little dots all over this eyeshadow look. Okay, so this pencil is not really working out. I could try again. I wish I had a more pigmented white paint, but I don't. So we're just gonna have to make this work. I'm gonna smoke it out a little bit more over here. Just whatever is left over on the brush. And then bring some more of the dots out here. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with some lashes. I'm taking the Lashes by Jujubee in the style Not to Be Dramatic. I'm actually going to apply these off camera and then I'll be right back to finish the makeup look. Alright, so now that I have the lashes on, I'm gonna go back into the James Charles palette and take this green shade right here. And I'm gonna use this green shade to smoke up the lower lash line. That's kind of gonna represent like the stem. So I'm taking the Sigma small angled E65 brush and I'm just going to pack that green shade on. Alright, so I'm going to smoke it out a bit with the more like lighter green shade. So I'm going to go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette and take this green right here. And then smoke it out using a pencil brush. Alright, and then I want to make my eyes appear a little bigger. So I'm going to go back into the NYX Milk pencil and apply that onto my waterline. Alright, so I kind of want to put some falsies on the lower lash line, like cut them up to give it like a doll look, but I've never done that before, so let me test it out. I should probably put mascara on first, so I'm going to take my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. And then I'm just going to start gluing on the pieces. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the other one off camera because it took a little bit of time, and then we'll be back to continue the makeup look. Alright, so I went ahead and finished applying the lashes. It's such a weird look, but it's very doll-like, and that's the look I was going for. I'm going to go back into the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I kind of want like a shimmery green inner corner. So I'm going to take this Morphe M515 brush and take this little shimmery green shade and apply that to the inner corner. So now we're going to move to the face, and for this look, I want a very blushy look. So I'm going to go into the Moon Prism palette by Lunar Beauty and take the two pinkish shades in the palette and really make sure I have blush like on my nose and on the cheek area right here. Because we're going to go in and do some freckles, and I think it looks cuter when it's very blushy. So I'm going to go in with this brush right here and take the shade Stargaze and kind of like contour with that color. Because pink is the main show today. Kind of blend it into the eyeshadow look right here. And then the forehead. We just want pink everywhere. And I'm not going to do too much of a highlight, so I'm going to go in with the shade Soleil, which is like a shimmery blush. And then just put some of that on the cheeks to add a little bit of a subtle glow, but it's still blushy. Now for this part, I'm going to add some freckles. So I'm going to take this brown waterproof eyeliner and just kind of put freckles all over. I'm a little nervous because I don't want it to look too intense. And then kind of just like pat it so it's not too much. I'm gonna go back over it with some more blush so it doesn't look too tense. Alright, so now for the lips, I'm gonna go in with this lip liner by Dirty Little Secret in the shade Rosy Posy. You guys, I'm obsessed with the way this is coming out. It's so cute. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go in with NYX Stockholm Matte Lip Cream. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. It looks so cute. Alright, so this is pretty much the finished makeup look. I'm gonna go in and attempt to put the wig on and hope it comes out good. So, are you guys ready for the transformation? In 3, 2, 1. You guys, do you see the vibes? Oh my gosh. See how I'm saying it's a little more purple, but it's okay. I am obsessed. Who is she? Who? Modern strawberry shortcake. I'm obsessed. I would love pink hair. Not the front bangs, but the pink hair. I'm obsessed. Oh, it's so cute. All right, you guys, so this is the finished modernized strawberry shortcake look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am very happy on the way it turned out. Definitely the way I imagined, so I am obsessed. The only thing is, I don't know what to do with these front bangs. Like, they're too long to be straightforward, so kind of gotta plop them to the side a bit. Maybe if you go like this, to the side, forward. Not too sure. It looks good. So yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below on what other Halloween look you guys would like me to do. I have plenty in mind, but I would like to do one that you guys obviously want to see. So that is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you like to see in the future. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to mine and Angel's channel, which is MariiiBajariii and Angel. The link will always be down below. Stay blooming, stay spooky, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.